What was once science fiction is now reality. In 2025, humanoid robots are walking, talking, and even working beside us. Are they helping humans or quietly replacing them? Tesla's Optimus robot can now fold clothes, carry objects, and respond to voice commands. Figure AI's robot has been deployed in actual warehouses, lifting, sorting, and moving items with near-human precision. Sanctuary AI created a robot that can complete real-world tasks like stocking shelves or using tools, all powered by artificial intelligence. We're no longer asking if robots will be useful. The question is, how soon will they replace us in the workforce? The rise of humanoid robots is driven by massive progress in AI. Large language models like GPT-4 are now integrated into these machines and giving them the ability to reason, understand, and adapt. These aren't just programmed machines. They can make decisions, hold conversations, and learn on the job. From manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and customer service, humanoid robots are being trained to do it all. With this rapid growth comes real concern. Millions of jobs, from factory workers to delivery staff, could be automated within the next few years. Some experts believe this will free humans from repetitive tasks. Others warn of mass unemployment and rising inequality. And the big question, can we trust machines that look and act like us to work beside us? Are humanoid robots here to serve us or eventually replace us? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to Sprintzeal for more tech insights